All right, everyone, welcome in. Thanks, everyone, for being here. You've reached Crypto Mike 9000. You found your way here on YouTube. Crypto Mike 9000, right down there is that red subscribe button. Please subscribe. Thank you. We see a lot of people coming here for the videos and not that many people subscribing to the channel. So if you get a chance, please just hit that red subscribe button. It would help a lot. I appreciate it. Get the word out to the YouTube, Google algorithm. All right, so people know we're here. All right, so here on YouTube, it's Crypto Mike 9000. All one word, easy to find. All right. The podcasts are up on Spotify, Anchor, all over now. Crypto Talk with Mike, easy to find. Crypto Talk with Mike on Spotify, all right, for the podcast episodes. New episodes are up. Also, please join me on Patreon, Crypto Mike 01, easy to find. Crypto Mike 01 on Patreon, all right. Lots of bonus photos and videos there for us, all right. Please join me there. Twitter. So this one today, we're going to talk about creating an NFT, creating your own NFT. All right. A lot of requests. I'm not even going to list everybody. Joe F, Jimmy M, Susan G. Lots of people on Twitter asking for this. So it's by request. It's going to be how to create your very own NFT. All right. Now, this here is not financial advice. This here is entertainment only. All right. I have some advice for you. I tell you things like stay happy, stay healthy, stack your sats, right? But the show is entertainment only. You come here for entertainment. All right. Very good. We're going to start. First of all, this info comes from all different places, okay? CryptoNews.com, the Ethereum organization itself, and a lot of it comes from beincrypto.com, okay? You want your own NFT, step one. Step one, identify the unique digital asset you want to tokenize. All right. You can tokenize a meme, a GIF, a painting, a picture, a ticket stub. The ticket stubs are very popular now. A ticket or anything else that can be digitized. All right. The ticket to an event, those tickets, a sporting event, a concert, something like that. Those are big business in NFTs all this whole year. All right. Step two. Pick a marketplace. You need to pick where you want your NFT to get minted, sold, auctioned. Research to see what is best for you. Popular marketplaces out there right now are OpenSea, Mintable, and Rarible. You've probably all heard of these three, most popular ones right now. Step three, what you got to do is you got to set up a wallet. All right. Open a profile and connect your Ethereum wallet. A lot of these steps now are going to be for OpenSea because this is where I did a lot of my research. All right. You can connect a MetaMask wallet, a Coinbase wallet, or others. All right. Next, step four, you're going to mint your NFT. Upload your digital file to your NFT marketplace. This here, what we're talking about now, uploading your digital file. This is the process that transforms a digital file into a blockchain digital asset, okay? Once you've uploaded your digital file, once that's complete, no one can delete, edit, or modify a digital asset registered on the Ethereum blockchain. So it's there permanent now, okay? Not going anywhere. OpenSea can let you avoid gas fees when minting. Now you need to click Create on OpenSea. On OpenSea, click Create, fill in all the information, and your NFT will be registered to the blockchain, where it stays permanent. Can't be deleted, edited, changed. It's non-changeable, right? NFT, that's what it means. Next, you can choose to sell your NFT at auction or at a fixed price. All right? OpenSea has a selling page. This will let you decide on royalty fees. Okay, you can set up different things so you get royalty fees going down the line forever as it gets sold from one person, used for something, sold to the next. All right, you can get royalty fees all the way down the line. This is one of the things we've heard a lot about with NFTs is the minting, the royalty fees. A lot going on here. Very exciting. You can mint your NFT on OpenSea for free, but listing the NFT for sale on OpenSea will be a 2.5% service fee. Okay. Make sure you got Ethereum in your wallet. Okay. You're gonna pay for the listing with the Ethereum in your connected wallet. All right. That's why we did that in the beginning. Okay. Next, set up the sale process. Just follow the prompts on OpenSea. It's very, very easy. If you can go on the internet and do just about anything, you can do this. You're just going to follow the prompts, takes you right through it. It's nice and easy. Whatever platform you use, remember, this is for anything, but whatever platform you're going to use to mint your NFT, okay, carefully read the terms of service, okay? Carefully read the terms of service, especially about fees and all associated costs, all right? You're always going to find something hidden in there, so make sure you know everything going in so you don't get surprised, okay? Also, just because you mint an NFT and list it for sale doesn't mean it's going to sell. It doesn't mean anyone's going to necessarily buy it, you know? You may have to promote it yourself, you know, on your other social medias, you know. So just remember, you got to get the word out a little bit that you've got an NFT there, you know. Not everyone's just going to browse through and find your NFT. There's a lot of them out there now, you know. Also, it's important. You have to set a minimum fee for the price of your NFT, a minimum fee to cover all your costs so you don't lose money here. All right, if money's no object, I guess you don't have to worry about it. But you're going to have gas fees, right, on your Ethereum, on the Ethereum network. Another trick I learned along the way is, I guess right now, the gas fees are less on the weekends because there's less traffic. So you can try to do it on the weekend, and maybe it'll cost you just a little bit less. But remember the part about reading all the terms of service. Very, very important. And do that with everything, by the way. I know it's a pain. You want to get going on what you're doing. You don't want to sit there and read this boring stuff all day. But this way will stop you from getting surprised later on, especially in the area of fees and service fees, percentage, whatever they're going to take out of you. It could be something you don't know about. All right? So, just remember, pick the right digital asset to turn into an NFT. Concert tickets are big right now. Tickets to any kind of events are big right now. And also, even though we talked about money and selling things here, this is not financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right? All right. Crypto Mike 9000, all one word on YouTube. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, set your notifications also. And don't forget, join us on Patreon. Crypto Mike 01. Lots of bonus pictures and videos and other content you can access there. Okay? All very reasonable over there. Crypto Talk with Mike, the podcast, is up on Spotify. New episodes are up. Okay? And also, please check, if you get a chance, deltarescue.org, the animal welfare organization out in LA. Okay? deltarescue.org. All right. Thanks, everyone.